Hello, I'm here right
Hello,
now.
Sam. I'm
Okay,
with you, sir.
okay. So now I'm recording this class. I'm recording it right now. So I started with the fact that we want to look at how to familiarize. Maybe let's just use AIs with trading view. How you can familiarize yourself with it, so that you can know how to use everything that comes out of whatever you're seeing here. So these are the time frames, and each of these time frames start from monthly. We even have yearly. Yes, we have yearly, but it might not be here. Like each candle is gonna represent a year. We have, let's say, yearly, monthly, weekly. Let's type it out real quick for learning purpose. And just use the system. So we have yearly, time frame, yearly. We have monthly. We have weekly. We have daily. Okay, and then we have the hourlies, which is like 4 hours. We have the sorry, we started from 8 hours actually. We have the 4 hours. We have the 2 hours. Some do have 3 hours though, but we don't know. We don't have to bother ourselves about that. We have the 30 minutes, and then we have the 15 minutes, and then we have the 5 minutes, and then we have the 1 minute. Okay, so this is the time frames which you firstly must understand, which are here. So if I say a particular time frame is my present view, like this is actually blue, meaning that my 30 minutes time frame is active. So each candle is right here represents 30 minutes. Each candle is right here. It represents 30 minutes. Okay, then I made you understand that here are like the instrument that we use, that we pick when it comes to analyzing in the forex market. Okay, you can actually make your, my screen right now, my cursor, like the cursor on my screen for navigating is arrow. You can make it dots. You can make it a dot. You can make it a arrow. You can make it, maybe you want to erase something. In what sense? Let me draw something for you. With pencil, there's something I can actually draw with pencil. Then I'm going to, okay, let's say I draw something like this. You can actually have your eraser. Oh, isn't that working the way I thought it's gonna work? Probably it works a different way. Okay, it works. You just click on it. You click on whatever you've drawn down, and then it's gonna clean. So I prefer to have it as a cross like this. That's how I want it, because in the normal trading view, before I set it to be like this, I actually do some particular setting because of my favorite color. If you don't love your chart, you can't really go low on your trading career. You have to love your chart. You have to love what you're seeing right here. And then again, these are some of these material things, and then you can make it have a favorite. Your favorite are here. These are your favorite right here. Okay, and then you can add to your favorite, and what you can remove from your favorite. You can add a lot of bunch of things in, and then it keeps getting longer, and then you can move them back again for easier access. Check them again, and then I made it known to you. What is this? Okay, let me just delete this once and for all. And then again, here are like a bunch of tools we use: fib retracement, trend based extension, spiral fib and stuff. Then again, coming here, brush, highlighter, rectangle is my favorite. There's no way you're not gonna use rectangle in trading chart. That's not possible. You can make your rectangle how any color you want. Just click on it, make sure it's active, and then you see the format tools over here. This is like a format tool, and then you see how thick you can, sorry, that's like a line. You can make it any color you want. Let's say the blue, and let's leave this. Maybe you want to write a text on it. You're gonna have a color for your text on it. But the way you can actually have the text, you have to click on the settings, and then it's on the signature. And just type in anything randomly, okay? So, and then you see the color of the text over here. But you know, it doesn't say mean. You can easily use your, let me clear this text. You can just use your text over here to type something here. Okay, then leave it. And when you type your text, anytime you type your text, you can make it have size. You know, let's click on the format tools over here. The setting, you can make it italic. You know, you can make it bold or not bold. You can change the color. Don't forget. So let's just make it bold. Let's make it trendy. Let's make it italic, and let's make it blue. Are you with me right now? Okay, so I'm going to delete this, not to confuse us. And then another main thing we use most is the trend line, right here. A trend line is this. You can edit the color as well, just usual thing. The 2px, you can make it 3px, the multicolor you want it to be, you know, and then you can make it like a dashed line, a dotted line. You can go into the settings and then do more things over there as well. You get what I'm saying? And then what other things do you want to do? Then we look at price ranges, how you can see your price ranges. You're going to use this later on, okay, not now. I'm just telling you can also find a lot of bunch of things over here. And for you to clean everything here, if you click this delete, it's gonna delete everything once. Let's try it. Yo, it's gone. And how can you reverse it back? You just use Ctrl Z, or you use Command Z if you use a MacBook. If you use an HP laptop, just use Ctrl Z, and it's gonna come back. Okay. To delete, you can just click single like you know, single-handedly like this, and then you just delete. Press your delete on your keyboard. And I made it known to you that these are date and time. We have this at date and time in the forex market, and these are the 3 and the 6, the 7th and the 8th. And then there's a way you can demarcate it, but there is a manual way as well. Just, you know, days. You click here, the vertical line, you can just look for it, and then you see boom, 00008 June. Okay, then I can still make this line. I can make it a good line. I can change the color right here. I can change the opacity of the color. It gets thicker, you see, and the color fades. I can make it fade, give it a very good thick color, and then still do it. I think you still make it have a sorry. You can still make it have a text too. Let me say it's gonna have, let me have a text. Okay, I have to click this text, so you can still make it have a text too. You see that? And also, don't forget that you can actually edit the text too. So, but we still don't need that. Okay, just for example, and right here we have the prices. We have price over here. Price. This 166.50, 166.0, 165 point, you know, blah blah blah. And what we have right here is British pounds / Japanese yen. That's what here right here. That means that's what I'm trading. And I have what here? I have it as GBP JPY, because that's the short form. The 30 right here mean 30 minutes time frame. So British pounds is represented by the GBP, and the Japanese yen is represented by the JPY. Okay, so now let's do something. I want to edit my screen. If you see your whole chart is not really like this, firstly I want us to change the color of candles. Okay, so can change the color of our candles, stuff. But I think I'm going to have this in the second class. I'm going to have this in the second class. So I will. Okay, so no problem. Let's do it all once. We can do it all once, then we can still do it any way we want. But I'll suggest so that this video doesn't is not like too long. I'll firstly end the class for this, the video recording for this, and I'll record another one.